The sedimentary structure we want to capture in this sketch is a flame structure located along the upper half of the thick, tan bed of sandstone in the middle of this image. Even though this sketch covers a very small area, we still approach it the same way as a landscape, by first carefully drawing in our upper and lower limits. Once I have my limits drawn in, I use the stipple pattern to capture the laminae in the sandstone bed that are involved in the flame structure. Laminae in the lower half of the sandstone bed also appear to be disrupted, but these folds are less clear, so I highlight them whenever possible with more stippling. I then finish off the sketch with dashes for the layers of dark gray shale above and below the sandstone, compass directions, annotations, a scale, and a caption.